I am so excited to be making with you today. So, let's get creating. The supplies that you will be needing today are paper, scissors, and any sort of drawing utensil of your choice. That could be markers, crayons, pencil, colored pencils, whatever your heart desires. Your first step is going to be to take your paper and fold it into several different sections. You can fold it into as many sections as you want, as long as you have an even number at the end. I went ahead and folded mine into 16 sections. And once you have yours folded into all of your sections, you can go ahead and grab your scissors and start cutting out. I kept my paper folded just to do a smaller amount of cuts on my paper. After cutting out all of your sections, go ahead and choose your supply of choice to add on your pictures or lines onto your cards. You are going to create 2 of the same cards for every set. We do this because this is a memory match game, and in order for our game to work, we need to make sure that every card has its own match. Once you've drawn on all of your designs and every card has a matching pair, then you are going to mix them up a bit so that you can play your game. Once you have them all mixed up, make sure that they are flipped to the blank side so you cannot see the pictures. You will then start laying out your cards with the blank side up. I hope you enjoyed making with me today. Keep creating, my beautiful artists.